Welcome to the best picks. The best bleach alternative is probably one of the most sought-after cleaning products for eco-conscious consumers and those with sensitive skin, offering a powerful cleaning solution without the harsh chemicals and environmental impact of traditional bleach. This video will explore the top-rated bleach alternatives on the market, examining their effectiveness, safety, and overall value to help you make an informed decision for your laundry needs. Number 5. Bleach Tablets 40 CT. Say hello to our new Bleach Tablets, a convenient and effective alternative to liquid bleach. It's perfect for all your cleaning needs, from laundry to kitchen surfaces. These tablets tackle tough stains and grime in your laundry, bathroom, and throughout your home. It's a versatile solution for a sparkling clean. You get 25% more tablets compared to leading brands, giving you more cleaning power for your money. That means more cleaning for less. It dissolves quickly and easily, making cleaning a breeze. No more messy splashes or complicated measuring. The child-resistant jar keeps it safe and the lightweight design is easy to handle. Plus, it's 100% recyclable. It's a cost-effective alternative to liquid bleach, bleach crystals, or packets. Get the same great cleaning power for less. For colored clothes, check out our Garbage Color Brightener and Stain Remover tablets to keep your garments vibrant and clean. Its compact packaging minimizes shelf space, making it perfect for any home. It's lightweight and easy to store. What we like? It's a versatile cleaning solution for laundry and various surfaces. It's also cheaper than other bleach types, saving you money. If you need a convenient and affordable way to clean, this is for you. What people say. The convenience of these tablets is a breath of fresh air. No more measuring out liquid bleach and worrying about spills or splatters. With these tablets, I just pop one into a bucket or my washing machine, and I'm good to go. They dissolve easily, releasing a powerful cleaning solution that tackles everything from laundry to kitchen surfaces, bathroom tiles, and even the toilet bowl. What I love most about Garbage Bleach tablets is how effective they are without the mess. I've used them on my kitchen counters and bathroom tiles, and the results are fantastic. Everything looks sparkling clean without any of the harsh bleach smell lingering in the air. Works amazing on toilets. Number 4. Kind Laundry Detergent Sheets. It's tough finding a detergent gentle enough for sensitive skin. These plant-derived sheets are specially formulated for newborns, babies, and those with compromised immune systems. They're free from harsh chemicals and dyes. These sheets are highly concentrated, so a little goes a long way. They dissolve quickly, tackle tough stains, and leave your clothes feeling fresh and clean. It's powerful cleaning without the harsh chemicals. It's better for you and the planet. They're plastic-free, reducing landfill waste and eliminating microplastics. They're also septic safe. They work in all washing machines, hot, warm, or cold water. You can even use them with bleach. They're versatile and convenient for any laundry need. Pre-measured and compact, they're perfect for travel. They're easy to pack in a purse, backpack, or suitcase. Enjoy fresh laundry wherever you go. These sheets have received the Mom's Choice Award, a testament to their quality and effectiveness. You can trust them to care for your family's laundry. What we like? This plant-powered formula is perfect for those with sensitive skin. A little goes a long way, making it highly concentrated and cost-effective. If you're looking for a sustainable and gentle laundry solution, this is the one for you. What people say. Used in washing machine or hand wash, no waste, no scent. It works better than the high-waste liquid that everyone raves about. No a heavy scent, and really gets tough stains out. They are so much more practical and you don't have to worry about messy liquid detergent spilling, pods leaking or popping, or the mess of powdered detergent when going to and from the laundry room. They are also super easy to store and take up less space than her dryer sheets. These smell amazing too and really hold their smell, unlike other brands we tried this summer. Another plus is that they can be used for hand washing things in the sink too, which comes in really handy when your kid is also a collegiate athlete who travels a lot. No more smelly, sweaty jerseys and spandex while on away game trips. Number 3. Noodle and Boo Bleach Alternative. Keep your little one's clothes bright and clean with our gentle, plant-based formula. It's tough on stains but soft on delicate skin. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and hello to naturally brighter whites. It's the perfect solution for sensitive skin. This powerful cleaner is made with plant-derived ingredients, making it safe and effective for your baby's clothes. It's hypoallergenic and dermatologist tested, so you can be sure it's gentle on your baby's sensitive skin. No harsh chemicals here. It effectively removes stains and brightens clothes without the use of harsh bleaches. It's the smart choice for parents. We're committed to creating safe, effective products for your baby and a healthier planet. Choose Noodle and Boo. What we like. Specifically designed for baby clothes, it provides an ultra-bright clean. It's a safe and effective alternative to harsh bleaches. If you need a gentle yet powerful bleach alternative for your baby's clothes, this is ideal. What people say. It's also great to add in my toddler's laundry load. Gets clothes whiter than liquid stew. Washed twice and looks closer to brand new. Wouldn't say it's miraculous, but definitely has effectiveness to it when the bleach had none. Number 2. AspenClean Oxygen Bleach. It's packaged in 100% recycled paper, making it fully compostable and environmentally friendly. This plant-based formula gives your laundry a natural boost. It effectively removes dirt, grime, and grease, yet it's gentle enough for babies, pets, and sensitive skin. Say goodbye to tough stains. Use it to brighten whites and revive dull colors. It's safe for all fabrics, even delicate ones, without causing damage. This hypoallergenic formula is free of harsh chemicals and toxins. It's gentle on skin while effectively removing stains. It's earned an A rating from the Environmental Working Group, proving it's effective and safe for your family and the planet. It delivers the same cleaning power as conventional products, but in a more sustainable way. What we like. It's packaged plastic-free and is tough on stains while being gentle on colors. It's an environmentally friendly choice that's effective on various stains. If you prioritize sustainability and want a powerful stain remover, this is your best bet. What people say. This product is incredibly effective at brightening whites and removing stains without the harshness of chlorine bleach. This really works on removing stains and brightening laundry. I've seen a real difference. My white clothes came out looking great. My colored clothes looked brighter. Number 1. Puracy Stain Remover Spray. It's tough on stains, but gentle on your clothes. This spray tackles both fresh and set-in stains, keeping your favorite garments looking their best. Say goodbye to unsightly stains and lingering odors. It effortlessly handles a variety of messes, from grass stains to red wine spills, leaving your clothes fresh and clean. It's safe for use on a wide range of fabrics. Whether it's delicate lace or durable upholstery, you can trust it to clean effectively without damaging your clothes. It's a worry-free choice for your family and the environment. Made without sulfates, parabens, bleaches, or petrochemicals, it's gentle yet powerful. It's made with care by a team of experts. Using only plant-based and mineral ingredients, it's safe for homes with children and pets. What we like. It's powerful enough to tackle tough stains yet gentle on all fabrics. It's a safe and effective option for various stain types and fabric sensitivities. If you need a versatile and gentle stain remover, this is the one for you. What people say. Pulled it out of the washing machine and there was zero trace of the stain. Excellent product. First stain removing product I've used that works on dried-in stains. Both stains completely gone. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.